Despite being at least a year away, iPhone 17 leaks have been far from scarce. According to a report by Ming-Chi Kuo earlier this year, and more recently by Jeff Pu, the iPhone 17 lineup is set to receive a major front camera upgrade that will be sure to appease selfie aficionados. So hey everyone, I am Yesh, and if you are new here, don't be shy. Do subscribe now. Although the iPhone 17 series is well over a year away, leaks regarding the future flagship series from Apple keep popping up on the interwebs every now and then. According to a research note accessed by prominent publication MacRumors, analyst Jeff Pu has stated that Apple's entire iPhone 17 lineup will feature an upgraded 24MP front camera. To put things into perspective, the current iPhone 15 generation, including the Pro variants, is outfitted with a 12MP front camera. The rumored 24MP camera would feature 6 plastic lens elements, as indicated by Jeff Pu. This would significantly improve image sharpness, allowing for more detailed selfies as well as clearer video calls. Additionally, the improved resolution and lens quality will also likely offer superior low-light performance, enrich augmented reality (AR) applications, and improve Apple's already excellent facial recognition precision. Earlier this year, well-known and reliable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo also claimed that the iPhone 17 lineup would feature a 24MP front camera along with a 6-element lens, which aligns perfectly with Jeff Pu's aforementioned assertion. Thus, the possibility of the 2027 iPhone series featuring a significantly improved front camera is increasingly looking like a foregone conclusion. But what do you think? How much do you rely on your smartphone's front camera? And would this upgrade influence your decision to upgrade to the iPhone 17? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.